Good evening. How are you doing? I am Jevin Rao speaking on the subject the expansion of vocabulary. In the previous video, I talked about how to predict vocabulary from the given context. Today, I would like to talk about the magical vocabulary box. We can draw a magical vocabulary box using 4 vertical lines and as many as horizontal lines. So, in the first line, you can write the head word now. In the second, you will write the head word verb. In the third box, you may write the word adjective. In the fourth box, you may write the head word adverb. Now, you may ask the children to name any word they know. Suppose they say the word rich. Rich should be written in the box, adjective. Then we ask the children to write the other forms of the verb. For example, some children may say, riches is the noun form of the adjective rich. You may ask for another noun form for the word. Some children may say richness. Then you may ask the children to name the verb form for the adjective rich. They may say or may not say. Then you have to write the word enrich in the box. Then what is the other word? Then you have to go for the adverb. Adverb is the what? It is richly. In that way, you can ask the children naming the other forms of the given word. In the examination, the other forms of the words are given, they are asked to write. But the problem is the children are not given plenty of opportunities to use the words correctly. So now we have to make use of all these words. Rich, riches, richness, enrich, richly. These are the other forms of the word. Now the teacher may prepare 5 sentences using the words. For example, rich. David is rich. Everybody likes David for his riches. David likes the house for its richness. David decorated the house richly. So we have framed all the sentences using the other forms of the word. Now you may give another word, for example, poor, in the adjective box, and now you may ask the children or the learners to form other forms of the word. For example, what is the verb form of the poor? It is impoverish. What is the noun form of the poor? Poverty. What is the other form of the noun? Poorness. What is the adjective, adverbial form of the poor? It is poorly. Now you may ask children to write on their own using all these 5 sentences in their writing. If they fail to write correctly, you may come to their rescue and you may help them. In this process, the children will not only know all the forms of a given verb, but also they know how to use them correctly. So if you go on giving this exercise for some time, the stock of words or the vocabulary will improve immensely. We can call it magical box because using this box, the children can learn a lot of vocabulary and they can expand it to the maximum level. So, using this magical box, you may prepare as many words as possible with the help from the students, or if the students may fail to answer correctly, you can give the correct answers. But anyhow, we should not forget to make the children to use all these words in their own sentence. Otherwise, they may know the forms correctly, but they may not know how to use them correctly in the sentences. Bye. I will be meeting you with another magical item to enhance one's vocabulary. Goodbye.